Assalamualaikum and good morning. Here we meet again in this PDPR classroom session. It's a recording. Okay. We are going to the next lesson, writing skill on page 6. So I want all of you to open your textbook and turn to page 6. Okay, the first lesson we have listening and speaking, and then last week we have reading. So today we are going to learn about writing. Okay, if you open your textbook to page 6, this page will talk about writing skill. So which part of writing skill we need to emphasize? So if you can see here, we are talking about punctuation. Okay, punctuation. Do you know what is punctuation? Okay, punctuation is a mark in writing, right? Such as here, you look here, a full stop, number 1, yeah? You can see here, a full stop, a little dot over there, is placed at the end of a complete sentence. Every time you write something in the end of a sentence, you should put full stop, compulsory. Okay. Next one, a comma is used to separate phrases or items in a list. For example, you want to say, Ali brought some apples, guava, and papayas. Between apples and guava, you should put comma to separate it. Okay, the next one, a question mark. This is a very famous one. I think you are in year 6, you should be aware of it. Okay, a question mark is placed at the end of a sentence when asking a question. Usually, you know it's a question when it starts with WH. So in the end of the sentence, you should put the question mark. You should know better. Okay, the next one, a capital letter. Okay, a capital letter is used to begin a sentence in proper nouns and a direct speech. Okay, commonly when we want to begin a sentence, we use a capital letter or proper nouns, names of peoples. You should remember that. Okay, the next one, an exclamation mark is placed at the end of a sentence to show strong emotion. For example, you say help, help. When you write it, you should put exclamation mark. Okay, the last one, a quotation mark. Okay, is used in a sentence or question to indicate speech or conversation. Okay, let's see here the example. How can you take them out? Asked the mother. Mother is saying something, so the sentence is you must put a quotation mark to indicate that the sentence is a speech. Okay, I think you already know this. All right. Okay, let's go. Let's see here. Oops, sorry. Okay, punctuation. As I recall again, a question mark is a place at the end of a sentence when asking question. For example here, how are you? You should put question mark at the end. Where did you put the book? Who is that pretty lady? Do you know the way to the clinic? See, 3 of the sentence here started with WH. How, where, who. And do you know the way to the clinic? You are asking the question. When you ask something, you should put the question mark. Next, an exclamation mark is placed at the end of a sentence to show strong emotions such as surprise, anger, excitement, or urgency. Example, just like this I said before, help, help. You should put the exclamation mark to show the utterance, means it's emergency. Help, help. So when you read it, you know the tone. Oh, I've cut my finger. It's very cold. Okay, next. A comma is used to separate phrases or item in a list. Examples, I bought a pencil, comma, a ruler, comma, a glue, comma, and an eraser. All right. Next one, Amar, Amin, and Ali are twins. A full stop is placed at the end of a sentence. and also after abbreviations or short form. Example, my name is Susie, full stop. I like swimming, full stop. Cash on delivery, C.O.D, or full stop, COD, abbreviations. This is common. I think you know it well. After finishing the sentence, you should put the full stop. All right. The next one, a capital letter is used at the beginning of a sentence in proper nouns and in direct speech. Examples, the clock is round. The beginning of a sentence, you should put the T should be in capital letter. B, your pet is very active. Why? Your pet is very active. Use for proper nouns. When you are using proper nouns, make sure you use capital letter, such as names, names of place. For example here, Sandra. Sandra is a name, you should put capital letter. We'll visit Pulau Tioman in March. Pulau Tioman is a place, proper nouns. And then March, month. Month should be in capital letter. Okay. The last one, a quotation mark is used in a sentence or question to indicate speech or conversation. Example, how can you take them out? Ask the mother. It should be like that. Here, I want you to answer the question in your exercise book. Okay, I want you to copy it and rewrite it. First, I need you to copy the question and I want you to write the answer below. And write the answer below with the correct punctuation. So we have 6 sentences here. It should be 12 sentences. One for the question and another one for the answer. And also this part, I want you to rewrite the passage using correct punctuation in neat cursive writing. You read first, you mark the punctuation, and then you write it in your book. I want you to snap a picture of the finished work and send it to me. I will put the link in the attendance list. Okay. Here is what you need to do. Answer all question in exercise book, snap a picture of your finished work, upload it via link given in the attendance form. I think the instruction is quite clear. I hope I can see your works later today. If anybody got any problem with the devices, no problem. There is no due date. You just finish it. I just want you to finish it and you practice it. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you in next lesson. Bye.